Lesson 4. Sound of vowel E. Look at the pattern, spell correctly, say the word, listen to the sound. Pen, ten, hen, den. Leg, peg, egg, keg. Pet, wet, jet, net. Head, feed, bed, red. Fell, sell, bell, well. West, nest, vest, rest.
Drill phonic.
Read and say. Me, we, she, he. P, li, t, see. Rent, tent, sent, went.
Year, dear, dear, fear.
Read and enjoy. A red hen. Get a teddy. A wet pen. A red pen. A fat pet at rest. A net and a bed.